Hello everyone. From what I saw from the YouTube studio, most of you who are watching are not subscribed. Please do subscribe. Thank you. Hello everyone. I have come up with a new game and I call this the RoboBug. Well, I might be forgetting to introduce myself. I am Shibayu, and yes, if you have watched one more of my Technics bill, which was the X1 offloader. I forgot, I think so that's the name, X1 offloader. I think so. Lego Technic. Need one more. And today I would like to show you the Robocop and also show you how to build it. So here are the pieces that you need for building the RoboBug. First, you need to take a 2x4 plate. Well, in this case, I took orange. Well, it matches the color scheme. So then, after that, you have to take this transparent 1x2 red color piece. Then, you should stick this one right up here. That will be the starting. That will be the eyes. Next thing to do is you have to take both of these pieces and stick them to the side of the chassis. After that, you have to put these pieces in these places. There you go, you have the bottom part. Okay, so now that we have completed the first part, let us go on to the second part. The second part is making the upper part of the RoboBug. Well, the first part was making this lower part of the body of the RoboBug. So let me keep this here. So first step that you have to do, you have to take this 1x3 piece and keep it right here. Next, you have to take this piece and keep it next to the 1x3 piece, and then you can take one of these grilled pieces and put it on top of those both, connecting them. After that, you have to put this grill piece right here. Next, you have to put this piece on top right here, and then you can take this piece and keep it right here. So now that's it for the RoboBug, but we're still not over. Let us keep this part as an antenna and keep it on the lower part. Remember, there are two right here. Do not keep them here. Keep them on the lower part of the RoboBug, on the lower part. So now we are over with part 2. Now we are over with part 2. And as you can see, there are only 3 parts left. Well, this is the RoboBug made in the part 2 of the building session. Now, let's keep this aside. Well, this is an optional part. With this, I think so the RoboBug looks cooler. And I just now realized a mistake. Remember I told you that in the second part you have to keep this spike up here, right? Actually that should not be done. You should keep this part with the end onto here. Please do bear with me for the mistake. Now few of you might be seeing that it's not perfectly aligned, it's a little bit up, but that's the thing which makes it look cool. Okay, now keeping this over to the side. Wait, I'll just complete the quicker part. You have to take this bomb piece and attach it to this part. Now, to make the gun that the robot catches, you have to take this gun and this Lego connector. Then you should put this right here, and you might see that this is closing right here, but if you I'll try to show that. If you look carefully enough, there are few slots and there is this gun handle right here. You must align that handle with this slot. Can you see that slot where the grey part is? I'll just turn it around. Can you see it? Yeah, I think so you can. Then you must shove it inside there. And there you go, you have the gun. Now this is not needed. You can also keep it just like this, but I think so it looks cooler like that. Now to just snap this part onto here. And that's over for the part 3 of the building session. Now that your Robobug is over, and enjoy playing with it. If you like this build or if you like this video, then please do hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you. It's Rio signing out.